चलिए.
Today
We want to
we want to
influence, impact, tremor, shiver, shock. Everyone, dear audience, ladies and gentlemen,
Please, so please
make it strong.
make it strong.
Yourself.
Yourself.
Please face challenges. Please
Please
face challenges
face challenges.
in your life.
In your
And
and
take the
take the
bull.
bull.
Take the bull.
Take the bull.
Take the bull
Take the bull
by the heart.
by the horn.
By the heart.
By the horn.
When the going gets tough,
When the going gets tough,
the tough gets going.
the task gets going.
Never ever give up.
Never ever give up.
Continue work hard.
Continue work hard.
Nothing happens overnight.
Nothing happens overnight.
Nothing happens overnight.
Nothing happens
The
overnight.
deeper the well,
The deeper the well,
the sweeter the water.
the sweeter the water.
The deeper the well,
The deeper the well,
the sweeter the water.
the sweeter the water.
As you sow,
As you
so
sow,
shall you reap.
so shall you reap.
Please,
Please.
please. Hi everyone, once again welcome back in this beautiful, amazing, fantastic, stunning, glorious session. Really, this is beautiful, awesome, fantastic outdoor activity. In this activity, we perform, we bring up, we show our excitement, skill, power, talent. We try to brush up, we try to polish our activity ki how much powerful, strong we are here. So in this amazing and stunning, glorious place, this is the beautiful, amazing place. This is amazing area, wonderful area. In this stunning, glorious, beautiful place, really this is amazing nature, full of the enjoy, full of the greenery, trees, plant, flowers. Really very cool air we are having, we are enjoying here. This is amazing place, amazing area, and one of the beautiful area. This is the area of Azamgarh. सितारा बन के हम निकले, चमक दुनिया ने देखी है. सितारा बन के हम निकले, चमक दुनिया ने देखी है. नमाया क्यों नहीं होगी, ये आजमगढ़ की मिट्टी है, ये आजमगढ़ की मिट्टी है. इस खित्ते आजमगढ़ पे मगर फैज़ाने तजल्ली है अक्सर. इस खित्ते आजमगढ़ पे मगर फैज़ाने तजल्ली है अक्सर. जो ज़र्रा यहाँ से उठता है वो नज़्र आज़म होता है. मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समुंदर तलाश कर. हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, वह शीशा तलाश कर जो पत्थर तोड़ दे. So dear audience, countrymen, ladies and gentlemen, here my arrival, my welcome, my entry, my conducting of this beautiful, amazing, stunning, outstanding, awesome session. Just I want to perform, develop myself. That is why we are coming here. We are exploring, exposing lots of things. We are facing multiple kind of crisis. That is why we are going to conduct a beautiful, amazing session. By this outdoor activity, we want to boost, we want to make more brilliant, super confident our confidence, our English language. It's all about English language. Ki how can we develop overall our English as well as personality. That is why we are exploring, we are conducting, we are debating, we are doing lots of activity one by one, simultaneously, spontaneously. All right. So in this session, our motive, just I want to perform, just I want to develop, just I want to connect. Ki how can we express, how can we show our confident excitement, ki whatever we have our self experience, how can we deliver, how can we brush up, polish ourselves here. Really Really, this is highly, deeply significant, useful, serviceable for us. How can we become a great profile, image, and also a great brand in our life? How can we become an amazing public speaker, and also how can we have best communication skill? How can we connect? How can we gain our confidence here in this class? So our motive, our purpose to conduct this class, just we want to develop myself with the help of this beautiful, stunning, awesome area we are enjoying exactly here. So are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Dear? Are you excited?
Yes,
Tell me
sir.
loudly, are you excited here?
Yes,
Yes. Say loudly, yes sir, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yes, sir. We are excited.
How do you feel here?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel here?
I feel we feel super
ऐसे बोलिए.
califragilistic.
How do you feel here, guys? How do you feel here?
Sir, we feel super califragilistic.
How do you feel here?
Sir, we feel so awesome, fantastic, and super califragilistic.
All right, amazing. So tell me, your confidence is the top of the peak.
Yes, sir.
How is your energy?
Yes, sir.
It is also top of the peak.
Yes, sir.
How much are you excited?
Sir, so much.
So much excited? High power, obsession,
Yes, sir.
excitement,
Yes, sir.
crazy.
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready
Yes,
to
sir.
perform here?
Yes, sir.
To do something new, amazing, unique,
Yes, sir.
unprecedented in your life?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to develop yourself?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to perform?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to become a topper of this universe?
Yes, sir.
Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Say
sir.
loudly, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
We are excited.
We are excited.
Do you want to become hero and diamond gold of this world?
Yes, sir.
Yes, say loudly.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Loudly, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Excited?
Yes, sir.
Are you in a jovial and hilarious, melodious and mellifluous mood?
Yes, sir.
How is your mood?
Yes, sir.
Excitement.
Yes, sir.
Have excitement?
Yes, sir.
Tell me loudly, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you want to change yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you want to develop yourself?
Yes, sir. I want to develop myself.
All right. Wonderful. Amazing. Do you want to become champion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to be a great personality?
Yes, sir.
Great person?
Yes, sir.
Profile?
Yes.
Brand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Really?
Yes, sir.
Tell me loudly. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you? Today, speak. Today,
Today,
we all are excited.
we all are excited.
Today,
Today,
we're ready
we are ready
to perform,
to perform,
to change,
to change,
to develop,
to develop,
to improve,
to improve,
boost,
boost,
enhance,
enhance
our confidence,
our confidence,
excitement,
excitement,
energy,
energy,
power,
power,
excitement.
excitement.
I am ready.
I'm ready.
I am ready.
I'm ready.
We want to develop,
We want to develop,
improve our confidence level.
our confidence,
English,
English,
personality,
Personality.
overall,
overall,
everything
Everything.
we want to develop.
we want to develop.
That is why
That is
we
why
welcome
we welcome
with a great pump and show
with a great pump and
enthusiasm
enthusiasm,
this outdoor activity.
this outdoor activity,
I want to do
I want to do
something
something
amazing,
Amazing.
unprecedented,
Unprecedented,
revolutionary
revolutionary
in my life.
in my life.
My dear friends,
My dear friends,
today I tell you,
I tell you,
today I share you,
I share you,
today I perform you.
I perform.
I am potential.
I am potential.
We can perform.
We can perform.
We can do.
We can do.
We can do.
We can do.
Today we want to
we want to
influence
Influence.
everyone. हाथ उठाइए. Today we want to
we want to
influence
Influence.
everyone.
Everyone.
We want to
we want to
tremble,
Tremble.
shiver,
Shiver.
shock.
Shock.
Today,
Today,
we want to
we want to
influence, impact, tremor, fever, shock, everyone.
everyone.
Dear audience,
Dear audience,
ladies and gentlemen,
ladies and gentlemen,
today,
today,
really,
really,
we are
we are
extremely,
extremely,
highly,
highly,
deeply,
and
very excited.
very excited.
Today,
Today,
we have energy,
we have
we
energy,
have power,
we have power,
we're ready.
we ready.
From the bottom of the heart,
From the bottom of your heart,
I connect to you.
I connect to
I
you.
talk to you.
I talk to you.
I share to you.
I share to
I
you.
perform to you.
I perform to you.
I do
I do
something
something
unprecedented
unprecedented
in my life.
in my life.
My dear friends,
My dear friends,
my dear friends,
my dear friends,
really,
really,
this session
this session
I make
I make
unbreakable,
unbroken,
untold,
untold,
unprecedented,
unprecedented,
awesome,
Awesome.
stunning,
stunning,
glorious,
Glorious,
magnificent,
magnificent,
splendid,
splendid,
and this is
this is
revolutionary
revolutionary
session.
session.
My dear friends,
My dear friends,
you can
you can
change yourself. You can develop yourself.
you can develop
You
yourself.
can impact
You can
this
impact
world
this world.
yourself.
Yourself.
You need to
You need to
develop yourself.
develop
You
yourself.
need to
You need to
update yourself.
Update yourself.
Upgrade yourself.
upgrade yourself.
Change yourself.
Change yourself.
Perform yourself.
Perform yourself.
Face
Face
challenges,
Challenges.
crisis,
crisis
and
and
face
face
crisis,
crisis,
trouble,
trouble,
problem,
problem,
and
and
you face
you face
every
every
storm,
storm,
barriers,
barriers,
whatever
whatever
coming
coming
in your way.
in your way.
This is the
This is the
meaning of
meaning of
life,
Life.
and enjoy.
enjoy.
These are
These
part
are
of
part of
your life.
your life.
Without facing,
without facing,
without encountering,
without encountering,
without
without
insisting,
insisting,
persisting,
persisting,
you can never, ever,
you can never
ever improve,
improve,
develop,
develop,
change
change
yourself.
yourself.
This is
This is
reality,
reality,
actuality,
Actuality.
factuality,
Factuality.
originality.
originality.
This is
This is
practically
Practically
prove that
prove that
we want to develop
we want to develop
myself.
myself.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and
the
gentlemen,
more
the more
you have power
you have
to
power
face crisis,
face crisis,
storm,
storm,
difficulties,
Difficulties.
barriers,
barriers,
the more
the more
you develop,
you develop,
you explore,
you explore,
you learn,
you learn,
you improve
you improve
without
without
facing
facing
any kind of
any kind of
Adi and Tufan,
Aandhi and Tufan,
Zalzala and Bhukam.
Zalzala and
You
Tufan.
cannot
You cannot
be strong.
be strong.
Do you want to be strong
Do you want to be strong
in your life?
in your life?
So please,
So please, please,
make it strong
make it strong
yourself.
yourself.
Please,
Please.
face challenges.
Face challenges.
Please,
Please,
face challenges
face challenges
in your life.
in your
And
and
take the
take the
bull.
bull,
Take the bull.
take the bull,
Take the bull
take the bull
by the heart.
by the horn,
By the heart.
by the horn.
When the going gets tough,
When the going gets tough,
the tough gets going.
the tough gets going.
Never ever give up.
Never ever give up.
Continue work hard.
Continue work hard.
Nothing happens overnight.
Nothing happens overnight.
Nothing happens overnight.
Nothing happens
The
overnight.
deeper the well,
The deeper the well,
the sweeter the water.
the sweeter the water.
The deeper the well,
The deeper the well,
the sweeter the water.
the sweeter the water.
As you sow,
As you
so
sow,
shall you reap.
so shall you reap.
Please,
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 Please.
start.
start.
Please,
Please.
welcome.
Welcome.
Please,
Please.
be excited.
Be excited.
Today's session,
Today's session,
my dear friends.
my dear friends,
This is
This is
all about
all about
to improve
improve
our personality,
our personality,
enhance
Enhance
our confidence level.
our confidence
By
level.
this activity,
By this activity,
we maintain,
we maintain,
we make it strong
we make it strong.
our confidence,
Our confidence,
our talent,
our talent,
our power,
our power,
and our personality.
Our
Ladies and
personality.
gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
this is the
This is the
activity
activity
based on develop
develop
your personality,
personality,
your spoken English,
your spoken English,
public speaking,
your public
your
speaking,
confidence
your
level,
confidence level,
your personality.
your personality.
Everything can be made strong, super, stunning, glorious by performing, by brushing up, by polishing, by torturing. If you are torturing yourself, you are studying more, working hard, performing. One day you can become star of this universe, champion of this world, hero of this world. This is your practical, actual activity, work, perform, really, which change your life completely, my dear friends.
My dear friends,
Thank you very much.
thank you very much.